the Vegas Vegan.
Pancakes. Fluffy, sweet, buttery, perfect comfort food. I don't know about you, but I break for pancakes and I could have them any day of the week. They're staple food, an American tradition, and today we are going to veganize this very popular restaurant recipe. I simply substitute just a couple of items to veganize this. Here I start with my pancake batter or my pancake flour. You can use any kind of flour at all. Gluten-free, almond flour, regular all-purpose flour. I use a pancake mix from Red Mill, but I use 1.5 cups. And then I take my baking powder. Now this is the secret ingredient that makes everybody's pancakes so fluffy. So I use a heaping teaspoon because I want a lot of fluff. Then just a pinch of the Himalayan salt that kind of balances out the sweet in the recipe, and I mix all these dry ingredients together. Now here's the swap. Just use vegan earth balance butter or vegan butter instead of a regular one and melt it in the microwave until it's like a liquid. Pour it into the dry mixture, and I use about 2 tablespoons of the earth balance butter. Now this Just Egg is one of my favorites. A friend of mine just got this in Canada and she's so excited. This is a game changer, y'all. So if you don't have Just Egg, I've always used applesauce. You know, those little sized packs. I just put a whole one in. Here I'm using 2 tablespoons of the Just Egg. Then I take my vanilla and make sure that it's pure vanilla extract. We want a quality pancake, and it's not going to taste top-notch if you're using inferior products. Next, I take any kind of plant milk that I have on hand. For today's video, I'm using almond milk. I find that coconut milk makes the pancake a bit sweeter, but my husband doesn't like coconut milk, so I'm just gonna keep it calm and use the almond milk, and I'm gonna add that in and stir and combine all together. Then I'm gonna take my griddle, warm it up to 300 degrees, and then continue to mix this batter until it's like this consistency. Not too runny, not too thick, just like that. Now that our griddle's warmed up, time to add a little bit of cooking spray.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's go.
Here I'm using a 1/4 cup measuring cup. That way each pancake turns out to be about the same size. And then I'm careful to place them on my griddle slightly apart from each other. That way they don't grow into one big blobby pancake. Once you start to see the bubbles like this, that means it's time to flip your pancake. Just like that. And cook it for, I don't know, a few minutes on the other side. They should look like this. Ooh, that's a perfect one. How'd that happen? Perfect circle. Like a light golden brown. And then I just kind of move each pancake down until I've got all the pancakes I need on my griddle. Once these bad boys are done, it's time to start stacking. Stack them and pile them as high as you can. Now this recipe made 9 pancakes of this size, which is perfect. And there you have it. Perfect, fluffy pancakes. I top mine off with a little bit of vegan butter and 100% pure maple syrup. Always using those quality ingredients. Pour myself a nice hot fresh cup of fresh brewed coffee. Add a little Fakin by a Benevolent brand. And there you have it. An American favorite, pancakes. America's #1 breakfast food, veganized. I just want to give a shout out to all of you, the people who take the time, who really watch, who like, who subscribe, who comment. Thank you. It means the world to me, and as a creator, it keeps me so motivated to keep wanting to share and do more videos. So, mwah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time on The Vegas Vegan. Bye.